Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Kukar Pintar. Hi everyone. How are you today? Nice. I hope you are fine. Stay positive and stay healthy at home. Okay students, welcome back to Kukar Pintar channel in English class with me, Novatri Ashari. Alright, for this meeting, we are going to study chapter 11. Yes, we made it. Yeah, this is the second meeting, right? Ya, ini adalah pertemuan kedua atau pertemuan terakhir untuk bab 11. Do you still remember our previous material? Masih ingat pelajaran sebelumnya? Ya, great. About recount text. Jadi tentang text recount. Okay, students. For this chapter, we will use this book, Bahasa Inggris When English Rings a Bell for 8th Grade, Revision 2017. Alright, student. And the purpose of the lesson dan tujuan pembelajaran kita kali ini, di akhir pembelajaran, peserta didik dapat yang pertama, membuat teks recount pendek dan sederhana tentang pengalaman di masa lampau dengan baik. Dan yang kedua, mempresentasikan teks recount yang sudah dibuat dengan baik. Alright, and now we will review about our previous material. Yeah, do you still remember the component? Okay, good. Title, orientation, events, and reorientation. And for writing a recount, have a look the picture. The first is title and orientation, about who, when, what, where, and why, and next events in order. Jadi kejadian yang berurutan, kemudian ending and a personal opinion atau disebut reorientation. Nice. Okay, students, and now please read this text. Yeah, after reading the text, please answer the questions. The first, who went to Jogja? Yang pertama, siapa yang pergi ke Jogja? Okay, number two, when did they go to Jogja? Kapan mereka pergi ke Jogja? Okay, number three, pertanyaan nomor tiga, how many tourism places did they visit? Berapa banyak tempat wisata yang mereka kunjungi? Mention them, sebutkan. And number four, and also took animals of those animals. The word those refers to. Jadi di situ ada potongan dari cerita menanyakan those itu mengacu kepada kata apa saja. And the last, what did they feel after visiting Jogja? Apa perasaan mereka setelah mengunjungi Jogja? Okay, have you finished? Amazing. And now please check your answers. Check it out. Okay, students. Next exercise. Latihan selanjutnya. Okay. Please pay attention to the events of each part. Perhatikan setiap kejadian di setiap bagian. There are 3 parts. Ada 3 bagian ya. And please arrange the events for each part. After that, arrange the part. Ya, silakan kalian susun event atau kejadian-kejadian di setiap bagian. Kemudian setelah disusun, urutkan bagian tersebut, mana yang masuk bagian pertama dari cerita, bagian kedua, dan bagian terakhir. Time is yours. Okay, smart students. Have you finished? Sudah selesai? Great. And now check your answer. Okay students, and now as your project at home, please do the LKPD. Sebagai tugas untuk di rumah, silakan mengerjakan LKPD. There are 3 LKPD. The first, LKPD yang pertama, read the following text and find the events. Silakan dibaca teksnya, kemudian tuliskan kejadian yang ada dalam teks tersebut. Okay, next, LKPD number 2. Use the structure of a recount to reconstruct this piece of writing so that it makes sense. Jadi silakan gunakan struktur dari recount text yang sudah kalian pelajari untuk menyusun ulang potongan-potongan cerita teks recount yang diberikan. And the last, LKPD ketiga, make a simple paragraph of your personal recount text by following the steps below. Okay, step 1, answering the guiding questions. Step 2, arrange your answer into a good paragraph of personal recount text. Okay students, that's all for this meeting. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Study hard at home, stay healthy, stay positive, and see you on the next meeting. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you, bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Kukar Pintar. Do your best, get the best.